Hello friends, you are most welcome to OJPRD once again, and today in this video I am going to tell you that how we are going to change mobile number into WhatsApp link that anybody can find from the link to your WhatsApp. So how is it maybe possible? So for that today I am going to make this video for you. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video, share this video. So today I am going to tell you first of all that you have to copy this thing. You are watching in the video that you have to copy this thing, and where the number is there you have to put your number. But one thing more, don't forget to put the country code at the starting. For the example, I am from the India now, so I am choosing here 91 at starting, and after all at last you have to put your mobile number. So this thing you will do, then you can be able to create your links, and you can just copy it and you have to paste in the Google. So when you are going to paste in that thing in the Google, so it will get link to your, directly give the link to just join your WhatsApp. So this thing is there, you can see here, continue to chat. So this thing automatically it will appear from the API of the WhatsApp. It's providing this functionalities and features. So this thing is there. So now I'm going to show you that thing, that this link I have given in the description below. You can be able to find from the description, or just you can watch from here only in the display and just type it here. But don't forget to use the country code at the starting. One thing more, don't use the plus sign here. Basically many are there, they are using plus sign in the front of country code, but don't use the plus sign, and directly you can put your country code here and put your all 10-digit number. So this is there, that how you can be easily create your WhatsApp link, or anywhere in social media you can just paste this. Anyone if you will click in this link, directly it will can be able to chat with you in the WhatsApp only. So hope this video you have enjoyed so much, and hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, because we will continue with the lots of videos of information. So thanks for watching us. Bye bye, take care, have a good luck.